Pepperina's World. Today I am cooking some spaghetti with some kale, some okay, that was weird. Some banza spaghetti made from chickpeas, onions, and yellow bell pepper. There's my spaghetti noodles cooking now. Some zucchini and my seasoning, of course, cayenne, black pepper, paprika, onion, and Italian seasoning, and of course my sea salt. Okay, since my newly appointed cameraman is at work, I went ahead and dumped my walnut and mushroom mixture in with some avocado and grapeseed oil. I figured, let me mix it, see what it tastes like. So I'm just gonna cook this for a while. This is my first time doing this, so yeah, don't judge me if it doesn't come out right. I'm hungry. We're just testing things out. Since I'm newly alkaline, it is a learning process. Okay, so I threw in my onions and bell peppers, and it's been cooking for like 5 to 8 minutes already. I don't know if I should go ahead and throw this kale in because it's a thick kale, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw these in. So I just threw them in. We're gonna see how much they break down. Just like spinach, it disappears. It looks like a lot, and then all of a sudden it's gone. So I'll be back. Okay, what did I tell you guys? That broke down really fast once I started mixing it in with the walnut and mushroom. I think I will go ahead and throw in my purple kale so we can have some green. Okay, so my purple kale is now added. Just gonna mix it in, work it in, and then after I work this in, I'll throw my zucchini. Okay, this is the final product. And I'm gonna make some toast with avocado on it. And it is rye bread that's approved by Dr.Sebi. Okay, so this is the final product. All I did was season it to my liking with onion powder, cayenne, Italian seasoning, black pepper, and paprika. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. And remember, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.